Why?
We're gonna do the best friend test, but we're gonna do it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Cause it's 11:29 p.m. and my mom and dad are gonna go sleep.
Yeah.
That means we have to fucking be quiet.
Yeah. So,
And that's my dog Ziggs. He's so cute.
so we're just gonna do a very quick video.
Yeah. Oh no. I'm just gonna, okay.
He's camera shy, guys. Hi. I'm Simba. I'm a sexy lion. And if any... What? Be careful what you say.
And if anybody flying report wants to hit me up, call my mommy's phone 301.
Just quote the last thing he said.
Yeah, please. I don't want nobody calling my phone.
Don't call my other mommy's phone. He doesn't want you people. He doesn't know you people, so he doesn't want. Don't listen to me, Bubble. Don't listen to me, Bubble.
Oh, okay. So I need to take my pill.
Yeah. And I need to blow up my bed.
And she needs to blow up her bed.
Yeah.
And she had Ziggy's hair on her.
Oh well.
My mom said he doesn't shed. Yes, he does.
No. I hate to tell you, there is no dogs out there that don't.
Well, just the hairless dog. Like the hairless cat.
Well, besides that, but even the ones that say they don't shed, do shed.
I love this dog.
I'm gonna say something. Hi.
You better hurry up, sweet dear. It might be good about
I'm banana. E.
Yeah, he wanted to put all the E's on.
Mm, I'm a monkey, and I have a very long tail. I don't know why.
Uh-huh.
It's even longer. No way, it is pretty darn long. And nice.
You're not camera shy no more.
No. And
But you're so camera shy. I don't want to be around camera.
I'm trying. And so, yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now. Bye. So he wanted to say goodnight to you guys.
Yeah, okay. Um,
I don't know how well this guy's gonna do because he's.
no. Mm,
Hi. He wanted to try.
you okay? Okay, you can try to say more. No, just hi. Okay. Sorry, people. So, oh, and Brittany, get a fucking life. Stop hating on my best friend. No, really. Stop hating on my best friend. Fuck it. So go to hell. And you're giving her bad dreams, you motherfucker. Peace.